What's up, guys? We're back. It's currently 94, 95 degrees according to my thermometer. And here is my squirrel and gopher count for 2025. I'm at 27 squirrels and looks like 7 gophers. But today it's supposed to be 95-ish in about an hour, and then tomorrow we're going to hit 100, and it's going to stay 100 probably tomorrow and the day after. So we are going to spray our avocados with Surround. Let me show you what I'm going to do. All right, so this is the Surround WP. It's a clay product that is white and it protects your avocados. So what I do is I kind of spray the avocados when it gets hot. It's kind of like sunblock. I know some of you guys have been asking how how I actually do it. So let me show you. So I essentially use one of these. It's just a Home Depot sprayer, and then I hacked it. I actually added a Schrader valve on there, and that way I don't have to pump. So we'll fill this up with water, not all the way, but just enough, and then we'll add the Surround. So let me do that real quick. So made my own little funnel, just cut the top off of like a 2-liter bottle, and this is about how much Surround I throw in there. So I just dump it in. Water wise, I filled it up to about 32 ounces of water. So 32 ounces going in, and then that much Surround. Well, once I got it in there, you just got to shake it. Make sure it's mixed. All right, so now you can always pump this by hand by just pumping it. But what I did is I connected that Schrader valve on here, and then I have my inflator. So just by hand, you could do it where you use the inflator. I go up to about 20 psi, and then so about 20 psi, and then it's ready to go, and then you just spray. So I'm gonna go around spraying my trees, and then I'll take this with me, and as the pressure goes down, I'll just up the pressure and I don't have to do any work. All right, so once you spray it on, it's gonna be white in half an hour once it dries up. So right now you can see it's kind of still a little wet, but I try to hit the new growth that's really young and tender. So this is my kaolin, and I just sprayed it down just a little bit just to give it a little bit of sun protection. So if you guys are in Southern California like me, we got a little bit of a heat wave right now. It's only 100 probably tomorrow, and then the day after. So it's go time. This is the time when you got to protect your younger trees that are smaller, kind of like this kaolin. So that's what I'll be doing today. And one thing you got to always check is make sure your irrigation's working really well. Right now during a heat wave, I would always come out in the morning and just double check to make sure everything's still working and everything's turning on correctly. So definitely encourage you guys to do the same. So stay hydrated, you guys. This is the time to kind of make sure your trees are hydrated and protected. So if you're interested in maybe making something similar to what I made, I'll link all of the stuff that I bought from Amazon down below. So that way you can just click on it and just buy it. Essentially, you gotta just get it all put together, and it kind of helps you because it does take some time to kind of pump it up. And it does come out more consistent once you get to a certain pressure. And if you can hold that pressure using a electronic inflator, and you can actually monitor the pressure, it's kind of nice. So I always try to stay between 20 and 30 psi. That's roughly the pressure that I like to be at, and it sprays really nice at that point. So you don't want to go too high from there. Okay, anyways, we will talk later. See ya.